Jai Hind student. Today we are going to discuss the unit 3rd public, private and global enterprises. Before we start the chapter, let first understand the meaning of business undertaking. Business undertaken is conquered company or enterprises which buy and sell is owned by one person or group of person and is managed under a fixed set of operating policy. Means business undertaking are a business operated by a entrepreneur from the public and private sector. Under the business undertaking referred to any business work or project which an entrepreneur engages in as a enterprises and is related to manufacturing, trading, distributing or providing service. In the context of business undertaking are a business enterprise or business entity with a profit motive involved in either production, purchase, sale of product and service owned and managed by an entrepreneur under some operating rules and or policy. Business undertaking can be a firm, company, mills, factory, plant, etc. It is based on the size, nature of activities, ownership structure or business. Next, private sector. Private sector undertaking can be defined as undertaking owned and controlled exclusive by the private entrepreneur without any involvement of the government. A private owned business can be a sole proprietor or partnership, cooperative society, joint Hindu family business or joint stock company or multinational company. The characteristic of private sector. First, private ownership. A private business undertaking is owned by one or more entrepreneurs who have invested or contribute to the capital of the business. Second characteristic, no state participation. There is no direct participation of the central or state government of India for conducting the operation of private business undertaking, and most private companies are however governed and under certain legislation that attempt to be safeguard the interest and well-being of entrepreneur and their consumer. Third, independent management. The right of the undertaking management is vested upon the entrepreneur and member appointed by them to manage the business. The management independently make decision, ensure efficient and smooth operation of the business undertaking. Next, accountability to owner. The private enterprises is managed by their owner or appointed manager who are accountable or responsible to or for the efficient and smooth working of the private enterprises. Next, profit motive. The main objective of the private enterprises is to earn profit. These undertakings are accountably direct toward the seeking profit fairly and legally. Next, public sector. Public sector enterprises are wholly or partly owned and controlled by the government, with most of its capital contribution from the government that sell and purchase product and service for profit. Public sector play a dominant role in Indian, which has been a agrarian economy. The government of India had to be in strength in the industrial base of our economy by the establishing public sector enterprise and become a self-reliant economy. While various public sector enterprises are involved in providing public utilities like public transportation, public road, public education, health, sanitization, there are not a consideration as public sector enterprises. There are some public sector enterprise features. First, financed by the government. Second, government management. Third, financial independence. Fourth, public service. Fifth, useful for various sector. Sixth, direct channel for using foreign money. And seven, implementing plan. And eighth, autonomous and semi-autonomous bodies. Hope student you can understand the meaning of business undertaking and private sector and public sector. Thank you.